Yeah, hi, I'm Fredrik Svanberg of PIXILAB. We're here at InfoComm and Vegas. We have our product that we have on display here is called PIXILAB Blocks, which is a software solution for visitor attractions in museums, corporate showrooms, in exhibitions. And what PIXILAB Blocks does is that it combines multiple functions that traditionally requires multiple systems, like a control system, a signage platform, interactive solutions, a mobile app. We do all those things in one system, and it's all based on web server and web browser technology and network streaming media, etc. We work with standard hardware across the board. I mean, when it comes to screens and cameras and sensors and stuff, and one of our good integration systems partners is a company called NETIO, which develops network power switches, and this is something that in our installations is utilized frequently. And what our clients appreciate with the NETIO range is that it can be controlled with various different protocols such as MQTT, TCP, and Modbus, so all these different protocols we can also support, so the client can have the right application for it. So we have support for pretty much the whole range of NETIO products from the driver perspective, so it can be integrated for control panels or synchronize the timelines, etc. Very cool.